So friends, welcome to our channel. If you are facing connection failed, error code 2 problem in your Roblox today, so guys watch this video till end because in this video I'm showing why this connection failed error code 2 problem in your Roblox today and how to fix this error problem. So guys watch this video till end. If you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Firstly, you have to open your settings of your phone. After opening the settings of your phone, you will scroll down and select the apps option in your phone settings, and then this apps option will be appear on your screen and click on it. After it, the install apps list will be shown on your phone. So you have to search Roblox here. Search Roblox and then Roblox app appears on your screen. So select it and then select the storage and cache or storage usage button here. After this, firstly you have to click on the clear cache and then select clear storage or clear all data button. When if you are remember your user ID and password, if you don't remember your username or ID, so please don't click on the clear cache or clear data, because after this you have to log in your Roblox. Okay, and then press on the home screen and open Play Store app. Search Roblox in your Play Store. After this, when you're searching the Roblox, and if Roblox shows an update, like when I'm searching the Roblox, then the Roblox shows an update here. So you have to update your Roblox in your Play Store. Now click on the update button and then Roblox start updating. So wait till the Roblox will be updated, and after the Roblox updated, so guys you have to go to the home screen of your phone. So guys the Roblox is updated and now we are going to the home screen, and then click on the Roblox and open the Roblox. After this you have to log in your Roblox and try your error code 2 problem will be fixed or not. If not, so you have to wait for some time, then this problem will be automatically fixed by the Roblox. I hope guys you understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.